Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over how to add a shapefile to an ArcGIS map. We'll be using a Minnesota boundary shapefile, which can be found on the Minnesota Geospatial Commons website. I have typed in Minnesota boundaries and clicked search, and we're just going to click right here on this first result. And we see that it has a shapefile. That is exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to click download. And now this file will be found under your downloads. But to save time, I have already organized it in the file in which I have my map saved, naming it example 1. You may name that whatever you prefer, but just make sure to remember and keep all your files together and organized. If you're having difficulties finding your file, you may look under Quick Access Downloads, and you will see it right here. You can click and drag that to whatever folder you're about to use. We will now go and extract the data from that file because we see it's zipped. Right click and click Extract All. I've already done this step. From here, we will go to ArcGIS, and we have a blank map. I have deleted all existing topography just to give ourselves a blank canvas to start with. We will add a folder connection by right-clicking over on the catalog pane where it says Folders. Click Add Folder Connection. We will now look for the folder that we went and put all of our things in. For me, example 1. When we click the down arrow, we now see that it has been connected. Click on the down arrow. We see the county, boundaries, and Minnesota shape. We will now click that and drag it out to the canvas. And there you have it. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.